Hey all, hope you all are fine. Today I'm going to show you how to connect S3 with Python Boto3 library. Boto3 is a library that enables us to connect with various AWS services. So let's begin. I'm going to import various libraries. Boto3 import pandas spd. I'm going to use panda because I've uploaded several files in the bucket which I'm going to read. Okay, so first install this library. I'm going to install using pip3. It's a package manager. Okay, as you can see that Boto3 library is already installed. I'm gonna install now pandas. Okay, it's also installed. So let's begin. So in order to connect with S3, we used to make a IAM users. It gives the user various access privileges to access the objects inside the AWS services. So I've already created an IAM user named demo S3. Okay, it will provide an access key ID and access secret key, which I'm gonna use to connect to S3. So let's make a variables to store. So let's copy it. It's usually not a good practice to show you the access key and secret because anyone can connect to the services and take the oh. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete this IAM user after completion of this video. So let's set up a connection with S3. I'm gonna use boto3 library dot client. I'm gonna write which service I'm gonna use. I'm gonna provide the access key and secret ID. AWS ID, AWS. Okay, so let's copy these variables: AWS access key ID and access key secret. So let's check whether our connection has been successful or not. If not, it will return an error. Let's write a client. Okay, so first what I'm gonna use, I'm gonna show how many buckets are present inside my S3. So I'm gonna use simple command of print client dot list buckets. Okay, so let's run. Let's check it is able to retrieve all the buckets or not. Okay, this is the bucket and inside it. Okay, so let's beautify our output. What I'm gonna use, let's run it again. Okay, as you can see that it shows that I have two bucket presents. Name is demo bucket S3. Its creation time is this. I've created this today only. And second bucket is demo S3 tutorial. So let's check. Okay, as you can see this, I have two buckets already present here. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see what all objects are present inside an buckets. Okay, so I'm gonna use list objects option. So what I will create, client dot list objects Okay, it takes the parameter bucket. Okay, I'm gonna provide the bucket name. Let's copy this bucket name. Okay, and let's run it. Let's check what are the objects that are present inside it. Okay, let's print also the object. Okay, okay, okay. So let's try something new. Okay, for I in object. Okay, it's inside. Okay, and contents. Okay, so what I'm gonna use contents key. Okay, let's close this and run it again. Okay, so this is showing that I have a various CSV present inside my bucket known as address CSV, contact CSV, holiday schedules, and location CSV. So let's check it out. Okay, let's go inside our bucket. Okay, as you can see, it shows that address and contact CSV are present. Now let's move around another folder. Okay, inside it, holiday schedules.csv and locations.csv is present. Okay, so far seems good. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, let's check specifically uh, what are the files that are present inside a folder. So it takes another argument prefix. Here I have to specify the folder name it's asking for, so I will provide folder location. Okay, so I've specified that inside this bucket, inside this folder, what are the files present. Okay, so first let's comment this out. Okay, so what's it showing that inside this bucket, inside this folder, there are two files present known as holiday schedules and locations. So let's check it out. Okay, you can see that holiday schedules and locations are present inside this folder, holiday location. Okay, so far so good. Now I'm gonna show how to read an object from S3. Object can be any file, CSV, Excel that is present in S3 bucket. So let's create an object. I'm going to use same client. I'm going to use get object function. Okay, so it takes various parameter. First parameter takes the bucket name. I'm going to provide that. Second is the key is the name of the file that I'm gonna read. So let's specify this file name. Okay, and let's print obj, and let's run it. Okay, so let's see the output. Okay, okay, um, okay, server is Amazon S3. Okay, except ranges byte, it's written in form of byte format. Body, streaming body object. Okay, so let's comment it out. I'm gonna read it with the help of pandas. Okay, let's read it with the help of pandas.read CSV function. Read underscore CSV. Okay, obj.body. I'm gonna read, and let's specify the format also. Decode UTF hyphen 8. Let's print it out. Dot header. It will just print 5 rows from top. Let's check if we have any error or not. Okay, okay. So what I've said, it has written, this object has written in form bytes. I need to convert it into a string format. So I'm going to use library known as IO. What I will do, I will just convert this into io.string. So what it will learn, it will convert the bytes into string. So let's check whether now our problem is solved or not. Okay, so what you can see here is that it has finally retrieved this address.csv format in data frame format. So let's let's read a file that is present inside a folder. So you need to just do this change only, and the file I'm gonna read is holiday schedules.csv. Just provide the path of that file which is inside the folder. So let's run it out. Okay, so we have finally achieved our goal. Now let's move on to our next task. So what let's upload a file to S3. Okay, client dot upload file. I'm gonna use this function. Okay, it takes the following parameter. First, I'm gonna upload this file. I'm show you. This is the name of the file is cost.csv. It is present in the same directory of my Python file. So I'll specify cusds.py. Okay. Now I will provide the bucket name. This is the bucket. Okay. And final name of the file with which it will be uploaded. So I will provide the same name. Cost.csv. So let's run our code to check whether the file is getting uploaded there or not. Okay, so our program has been run and it seems no error. So let's check it out whether it is uploaded there or not. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, it's not uploaded. Let's check why it's not uploaded. Um, okay, is there any error? No. Okay, okay. The command seems correct. So why it's not uploaded? Okay, let's run this command again. Now let's check. Yeah, the command was correct. It was uploaded earlier also, but my page was not refreshed, so it was not showing. Okay, so now what we need to do now, let's download a file. So the command will be somewhat similar. Download. Okay, so first parameter that it is takes is that bucket name. I will provide it here. Then the name of the file that I need to download. Let's take this file, and with the name it will be downloaded. So let's run our file and check if there is any error or not. Okay, it seems there is no error, and let's check our file is been downloaded or not. Okay, our file is being downloaded. Let's download a file that is present inside a directory. Okay, let's go inside it. Let's copy the path. uh, Slash the file I'm gonna download is this. Okay, let's paste down it here. Okay, let's comment it out. So it seems that our file is being downloaded. Let's check here. Yeah, our file is being downloaded. So my motto was complete. What I shows here is that how to list all the buckets that are present inside my S3, how to list all the objects that are present inside a bucket as well as inside a folder of a bucket. Now, next I have showed how to read an object from S3. Next I have showed how to upload a file, and at last I have shown how to download a file from S3. So hope you like this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.